Hi guys, that's a very quick unboxing and review of the Weller's 60-watt soldering iron. The model number is WLI RK6012A. This comes in a nice clamshell packaging. The kit itself includes the soldering iron. It includes one little stand, just aluminum sheet stand, so it doesn't burn your surface, it doesn't tip over, although the weight is distributed in such way that if placed horizontally it won't tip over. However, this little plate secures it nicely. The kit also comes with two tips of 0.8 millimeters. One is solid to retain a little bit more heat, the other one more quick, it's hollow. Both were pre-treated, the tips were pre-treated and ready to use right out of the box. It comes also with a little piece of solder, as well as this little holder. This is a plastic holder and tool that you can use for cleaning surfaces and for holding down wires. Maybe it's, I wouldn't say that it's indispensable. It is a very convenient tool to hold down your stuff. Of course you need two hands for that, and with one you are holding already the solder, so if you are desoldering something and you need to take the wire and hold the wire while you are desoldering, then you definitely need that. It reaches the maximum temperature of 880 degrees Fahrenheit or 470 degrees Celsius pretty quickly, in around not more than 5 minutes. This was the amount of time that it required to, to get this going. All right. The wide 6.4 millimeter tip is predominantly for soldering wires. That's what you need it for, and the other tips are for electronics. A fast connection. Now that it also has this ring, this LED ring, which is not necessarily the brightest, but it does a gentle job in showing highlighting your work area. It provides an accessory light. It's not meant to be a sole source of light that you would need for your work. You definitely need to light your workpiece. So tips are removed by removing the retaining screw and then replacing the tip. That's it. Pretty good tool in my opinion. Very inexpensive, very sturdy tool. The basic heating core here is nice. The separation between the LEDs and the heating core has been done nicely. LEDs emit a lot of heat, so those are really nice, and separation between them has been completed nicely so that the LED do not interfere with the heating element. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.